Imagine hosting a lively dinner party where golden, crispy chicken wings and juicy steaks steal the show, all cooked with 85% less oil. No greasy cleanup, no lingering kitchen odors, just delicious, healthy meals that wow your guests. This Allcool Airfryer Oven 8 Quart. Large air fryer makes this dream a reality, transforming how you cook with its 8-in-1 versatility, massive 8-quart capacity, and cutting-edge technology. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this air fryer is a must-have for families, foodies, and anyone craving restaurant-quality meals at home. From its sleek design to its dishwasher-safe ease, here's why the Allcool Air Fryer is revolutionizing kitchens. Why the Allcool Air Fryer stands out. Air fryers have become a kitchen staple, but the Allcool Airfryer Oven 8 Quart takes it to the next level. With a powerful 1700-watt motor, 360-degree hot air circulation, and a non-stick dishwasher-safe tray, this appliance delivers crispy, oil-free meals without the hassle. Whether you're a busy parent feeding a hungry family or a health-conscious cook aiming for guilt-free indulgence, this air fryer checks every box. Its 8-quart capacity can handle a 3-pound whole chicken or 18 chicken wings, making it ideal for gatherings of 1 to 8 people. Plus, it's BPA and PFOA-free, ensuring safe, toxin-free cooking. What sets this air fryer apart is its blend of power, simplicity, and versatility. The high-definition LED touchscreen offers 8 one-touch presets, letting you air fry, roast, bake, grill, broil, dehydrate, reheat, or toast with a single tap. No more guesswork, just perfect results every time. And with 32 included recipes, even novice cooks can whip up gourmet dishes like pros. Let's dive into the features that make this air fryer a kitchen superstar. Key features: 8 quart. Super large capacity. Cook for a crowd with ease. This air fryer handles a 3-pound whole chicken, 18 chicken wings, 4 steaks, or 800 grams of fries, perfect for family dinners or small parties. Oil-free cooking with perfect crisp. Using the Maillard reaction and 360-degree hot air circulation, it reduces oil by 85% while delivering crispy fries and juicy meats. 8-in-1 versatility. Air fry, roast, bake, grill, broil, dehydrate, reheat, or toast, all in one appliance, saving counter space and simplifying meal prep. One-touch presets. 8 pre-programmed settings on an LED touchscreen make cooking foolproof. Adjust temperature, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and time, up to 30 minutes, manually for custom recipes. Dishwasher-safe nonstick. Tray, the PTFE-coated tray and heat-resistant handle ensure quick, grease-free cleanup. Toss it in the dishwasher and relax. 32 recipe. Cookbook. From crispy wings to decadent desserts, the included recipes guide you step by step, making cooking accessible for all skill levels. Safe and durable. ETL listed, BPA and PFOA free, with a 1700-watt motor built for efficient, long-lasting performance. Benefits that transform your cooking experience. The Allcool Air Fryer isn't just about features, it's about making your life easier, healthier, and tastier. Here are the top benefits. Healthier meals. Without sacrifice, enjoy fried favorites with 85% less oil. The 360-degree hot air circulation ensures even cooking, locking in flavor and crispiness while cutting calories. Time-saving convenience. One-touch presets and a powerful 1,700-watt motor mean meals are ready in minutes, not hours. Perfect for busy weeknights or impromptu gatherings. Effortless cleanup. The non-stick dishwasher-safe tray eliminates scrubbing and soaking. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. Versatility for every craving. From crispy fries to dehydrated fruit snacks, this 8-in-1 air fryer handles it all, reducing the need for multiple appliances. Perfect for entertaining. The 8-quart capacity and included recipes make it easy to impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes, no culinary degree required. Who is the Allcool Airfryer for? This air fryer is a dream for big families. Feed 1 to 8 people with ease, from weeknight dinners to weekend barbecues. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried foods with less guilt thanks to oil-free cooking technology. Busy professionals. Quick presets and easy cleanup fit seamlessly into hectic schedules. Party hosts. Impress guests with a variety of dishes from wings to steaks, all cooked to perfection. Why choose Allcool over other air fryers? With so many air fryers on the market, why pick the Allcool 8-quart? Unlike budget models with smaller baskets or limited functions, this air fryer offers a massive 8-quart capacity and 8-in-1 versatility, making it a true all-in-one appliance. Compared to premium brands, it delivers comparable performance at a more accessible price point. The included recipe book, dishwasher-safe design, and BPA-free materials add unmatched value. Plus, the sleek white finish looks stunning in any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.